Hey guys, welcome back to some late evening cooking. Just to let you all know that these are chopped in medium-sized pieces from a whole chicken, and I always come home after going to the butcher's and wash, clean and season all my chicken pieces or whatever I purchased that day, and I just store them in the freezer until I'm ready to cook. While seasoning the pieces, it preserves the meat so that it doesn't go off or get frostbite from the freezer. And actually, let me start off by saying I put some thyme in there, chicken season, all-purpose seasoning, and also a bit of everyday seasoning. I don't really use that too much because I don't like my food salty or anything. As you know, I don't cook with salt, or if I didn't mention that before, let me say that now. I don't like to use oil or salt, just depending on what I'm cooking. If I'm doing fried chicken and so forth, then I'll use some oil, but it depends on what I'm throwing in the pot. Or if I'm baking, I just put it in just as it is, or I tip a little bit of oil, just a little bit, just to make it loosen for the chicken to move around. And in this moment in time, as you can see, I'm holding some chilies in my hand with a knife, of course. Green chilies. Love me some green chilies. I prefer my Scotch bonnet peppers, but I've yet to go down to the stores for that. So at this moment, just using some fresh green chilies that hubby picked up the other night. But as I said, I'm just cutting on some chilies at the moment, just roughly cutting them on. And I'm gonna get a glove because of course there's chilies in there and other seasoning, so I don't like the smell of the seasoning on my hands. So I'm gonna pop on a glove shortly and start rubbing together. Any cooking at all, I always make sure I have a clean surface. Cleanliness is close to godliness, as they always say. But I'm thinking, to be honest, to do some curry with these pieces. I normally have smaller pieces for curry chicken, Jamaican style. But yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So what I'll do is, just to make sure the meat is preserved and still healthy, just to rub up the seasoning to make sure it's in a smaller bowl, so I can't even get into it to massage it properly and to get it all. So I'm gonna put a bit more thyme on there and some garlic pieces. This is my thyme. As you know before, I mentioned the other day that I like dried thyme. Sometimes I like it fresh, depending on what I'm making. And the majority of the time I like my thyme to be dried. I already had thyme on there, but because that was fresh thyme when I was firstly seasoning it, so that's enough. There's a lot of thyme is already on there. Sorry, if you heard that noise in the background, that's my hubby helping me out, preparing some garlic for me. I don't know if you guys are wondering why I don't show my face and my body in the clip, because I want it to be just mainly about cooking. I don't want any types of distraction or anything of the sort. I just want it to be about cooking. I like my curry spicy. Curry chicken and jerk chicken, I believe, should be very spicy. So I'm gonna get my hubby, because he always tends to help me with these around, help me with the cooking, and that's one thing I love, that we can actually continue bonding and spending time with each other whilst cooking. So I'm gonna get him to chop the pieces of garlic. So if you see the different hands, then that's my partner's hand. And he's now adding the garlic. I don't know why he's cutting like that. Say hello.
Hello guys.
As I was saying, I'm not gonna cook this tonight. I'll cook it tomorrow. So I'll do the rest of the filming tomorrow. I'm just making sure that the meat is still well preserved and that it's still healthy basically to eat. Thank you, Mama. I'm just gonna leave it as that. And then tomorrow I'll come back. We'll finish up everything. Yeah, have a good evening, guys. And I'll see you all soon. Right guys, I'm back. As promised, to finish off the Jamaican style cooking of curry chicken. I've actually preheated my pot for the chicken. And I'm about to add just a splash of oil so that the chicken doesn't stick. And also our speciality and tradition whilst cooking curry chicken is to burn the curry first. As I said before, just a splash of oil. A lot of people like to use a lot more oil than that, but as I mentioned before in previous videos, I don't like to use oil or salt or even sugar. So that's extra virgin olive oil. I've just poured in the pot there. And now I'm fetching my curry powder. So just a splash. I would say about 2 tablespoons of curry, or 1.5 tablespoons of curry, depending on how strong you like your curry to be. Okay, I'm not left-handed, guys. It's only because I've got a glove on, so if I look awkward, only because I have a glove on this hand, and I've been just continuing to massage my chicken. I love when my chicken is extremely marinated. Some people like to lightly brown their chicken before adding the rest of the ingredients or adding water. But today, I'm not going to lightly brown. I'm just going to start seasoning my pot. Here adding. Remember last night I already seasoned the chicken to perfection, and also I told you previously that whenever I return home from the butcher's, I like to season my meat so it's well seasoned. Now I'm going to prepare my onions and spring onions. I'm going to quickly put the rest of the ingredients in and add water so it can start cooking. Hubby's on his way home, so he'll be here shortly. Are organic. I cook with most organic ingredients. It's only if I go to the supermarket and they've run out, then I'll take the others, but I prefer to cook with organic ingredients. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly. But to let you all know, this is another medium-sized onion, or if you want to say medium to large. I should have set the camera on this side and use my proper chopping board because the camera is on my chopping board at the moment. A lot of people always ask me, does onion ever make you cry? No. Onion has never made me cry because I don't hold my face close enough for it to, as I was saying, I don't put my face close enough for it to make me cry. Let me rinse it first. Rinse it nice. As you know, in my previous videos, I like to wash everything that I use. Yeah, I'm using quite of a small knife today. I don't know why. I just picked up something because I'm trying to quickly get everything in the pot. And because I don't want my chicken to burn or anything. sprinkle them about, break them apart. I normally just throw them in and then it would do its job, and break itself, but I'm just sprinkling around today. And then I'm going to add, I've taken 4 spring onions, as you can see, 4 spring onions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that was a whole of onion. And then I love how the Asians, they chop their spring onions. So I like to do the same. But as I was saying before, guys, oh, let me show you quickly. That's how the Asians normally chop their spring onions. I realized I didn't give a preview. But as I was saying, you guys put however amount of spring onions and seasoning to your taste buds, to your liking. But if you follow this recipe, it will be spot on. Away. And now I'm going to turn the handles and stir. Okay guys, and now I'm about to grab some water from the kettle, hot water. Let me just show you quickly what it looks like. Oops. Beautiful, isn't it? So now I'm about to grab some hot water and pour it all over to make the gravy. And then I give it another stir. Put enough water inside so that, let me show you. Put enough water so that it covers everything, and then leave it to simmer. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it there for now, and once I'm checking through again, I'll come back and I'll show you guys how it looks, to medium to almost finished cooking. Okay, have a good day guys. Hi guys, welcome back. Just to let you know that I left it on to simmer and for it to do its magic. And now I'm going to reveal what it looks like. Give it a little bit of a stir. All works together. Oh, beautiful, beautifully done. What do you all think? Right, and whilst the chicken was cooking, I actually prepared some white rice because I love me some curry chicken and white rice. So let me show you that. So yes, whilst the chicken was cooking, I steamed some white rice because I love me some white rice with curry chicken. And as you can see, fluffy and well done rice. Nicely done. And this is just rice and water that I cooked it in. I don't like to add salt or anything because I stay away from all those high sodium and calories and all that. I try to just be minimal in what I put in my pot each day that I cook for myself and my partner. So once more I'll show you guys, and then I'm gonna close out this video right here. So thank you guys, thank you all for watching. Be blessed and be highly favored, and let me know what you all think if you tried out the ingredients, and just come back and comment. So please like, share and subscribe. Be blessed guys.